Zeno with I don't wanna be your friend. And guys, sure hindi nyo na-expect to. Hindi nyo na-expect to. Ah, ay, nasa Boracay tayo. Ay, nagbabakasyon tayo. Meron tayong mga problema. So, i-solve natin yan. Sabi ni Carla. Hi, BJ Nikki. I'm having trouble with my boyfriend, Tito. What? You wanted my boyfriend to move to the States. They have an unusual argument. So what do you think I should do since I'm the reason of their argument? Should I break up with my boyfriend, Lisa? Naku. Wait, medyo mahirap mag-isip pag mainit eh. But I think, hindi ka naman sigurado na ikaw naman talaga yung reason for their argument. Maybe they just don't see eye to eye. Your boyfriend wants to stay for other reasons. Hindi naman pwedeng ikaw lang yung rason. But you know, tell your boyfriend na kung yun naman ang dream niya, kung yun naman talaga yung matagal na niyang planong gawin, and if you're the only one stopping him from doing that, then tell him that you'll support him, that you have his support, that you have his blessing to go and chase your dreams in the US, diba? Hindi naman pwedeng, kasi hindi ka rin naman sigurado na kayo na forever, so why would you want to stop each other from growing and from reaching the dreams that you have long ago planned, diba? Kasi sayang din naman yung mga opportunities. But you know, it's gonna take some sacrifice on your end, pero kailangan nila, kung tunay na pag-ibigyan, kung mahal mo talaga ang isang tao, if it's gonna do him good, then you will let that person go. Amen. Okay, well anyway, I hope that solved your problem, and if you're not happy with that Canadian, all you have to do is have a mixtape DJ Nikki space, the message and your problem, and send that to 2366. Once again, we would like to thank Boracay Regency for making our stay here at Boracay possible and extremely pleasant. Thank you very much. And that is it for Malcolm X Has been DJ Nikki. See you guys next time. Majinit.